Assalamu alaikum, friends. Good evening,
Why,
everyone.
sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
सर आज आप बहुत दिनों बाद आए हैं, बड़ी खुशी हो रही है आपको देख के।
Me too, me
Good
too.
evening, sir.
Good
थैंक
evening.
यू
Good evening.
Really nice to see you, sir, once again after a long time.
Yes. I'm also happy to connect with you all today. Yes. Okay. So, friends, hope your meditation is going good with your practice with the Madhu. Yeah. So, friends, we are here in this meditation journey. We have chosen this path to practice and transform our life. So this is a what we called a sangha. It's a community, like-minded people community. So here we are helping each other. We are learning how to live the positive way, how to live happily, healthy. We must have health, a proper health, a good health. Even you are a millionaire, if you don't have a proper health, no use. So your body and mind, first, the important thing, you should take care of your mind. When you take care of your mind, your body will be function properly. And also both are interconnected, your body and mind and the soul. But these three are interconnected. So friends, so what happened this meditation? Why we are here every day? Why we should do meditation? Why we are wasting our time? In this time, you can watch the movies. I can watch some other movies also. I can chit chat with my friends. I can play. But why we are here, sitting here? Isn't it wasting our mind, our time? No. We are here every day. We are training our mind. We are training our mind to be here in this present moment. While you are working, your mind is not there. You're thinking about your family. You're thinking about your children, thinking about home. You're not there at the present moment. When you are at home, you're thinking about office. You're thinking about your work. You're not there. So this meditation helps you to be here in this present moment. What happens when you hear in this present moment? When you are in this present moment, you don't do any mistakes. You do your work properly. Your full attention will be there. Something happened in yesterday, something or day before yesterday, 1 year ago. You don't care about it happened. Something going to be happen future, next day or 1 week ago, 1 week later, 1 year later. You don't care about whatever happened in the future. And you will be happy in this present moment. For that, we are practicing meditation. To live here in this present moment. In this present moment, no worries, only happiness. You're enjoying whatever you are having in this present moment. You can change your life by being here in this present moment. By being here, you can be a creator. You can rewrite your life however you want. So that is the power of this present moment. So friends, meditation means living in this present moment. By living in this present moment, we live happily. We live complete health. We acquire the health completely. All the problems, all the psychosomatic diseases, because of our worries, because of thinking about the past. Most is the past. Most of the worries are from past. Somebody scold you, something you lost, whatever, you're bringing that into the present moment and worrying. And you're not able to enjoy this present moment. Either you're thinking about the future, what will happen the next day, what will happen tomorrow. So friends, these two make us more worry. You can have plan for the future. Everybody have a plan for the future, but would not worry what happens tomorrow. By tonight, in my sleep, I may die. I may die. You may die. This is the truth. If you postpone your happiness for tomorrow, then you're not there. You're missing this. So whatever in your life, don't postpone your happiness. Okay, I will enjoy tomorrow. I will enjoy 1 year later. You have to enjoy right now by being here. At the same time, don't bring your past worries to here. Don't bring. Past is past. Forget and forgive. Forget and forgive. Friends, these are the basic things. This entire life, we have to learn this only. Forgiveness, self-love, acceptance, living in this present moment. This is a spirituality. And this is a life. For gaining all this, by doing meditation, tuning the mind, understanding about the body, understanding about the mind, understanding about the soul. Otherwise, we keep running our life. We don't know where we are going. I keep on going on. We're comparing others. We have some desires to fulfill, but by comparing others, we are changing our desires. But at the end of the day, we have to judge ourselves. What I have done all these days. So why you will be judging at the age of 60 years or 70 years while lying down on the bed? If you have to judge yourself right now, what I have done so far, what I need in this lifetime, everybody answer is, want to live a happy life. Want to live happy life. This happy life and always connected with the money, the financial things. This is always connected. It can be, but some extent. Can be some extent, but not completely your life. It depends on, your happiness depends on money. No. You have to experience the true happiness, the connection within the God, inside. So that's a true happiness. That happiness you get by practicing meditation, By doing this one, no money is required. Nothing is required. Your dedication. So when you have a connection with that source, you will get everything, whatever you wanted in life. You can manifest anything. Hey, I want this one. I want to have a big house. You can able to manifest. I want to have a car. You can able to manifest. When you have a connection with the higher power, and that is within. To go within, we are connecting with our breath, not looking outside. And by practicing meditation, our intellectual levels will be increased. We call buddhi. You have everything and you don't have proper intellect and how to use, then you will be suffer. For example, you have some money, billions of money. You don't know how to use. You don't know how to use. You don't have proper intellectual, proper knowledge, how to use that one. Then you will lose one day. Similarly, you have an energy and you don't know how to use it, how to think. Then you will lose the energy. This meditation helps you to how to think. How can I utilize my energy? How can I manifest? Manifestation also, you should have a proper thought, proper manifestation. Not bad manifestations. Right manifestation, right actions. So when you practice meditation, you only do the right things because your thoughts already purifying. You are purifying in everyday meditations. So when purification happens, only positivity is there. Only positivity is there. So with that positivity, with that soil, whatever you planted, whatever seeds that grows, the positive trees, the positive fruits you get in your life. So we're not wasting our time, my dear friends. Every day we are investing our time for our spiritual growth, for our soul growth. That is the reason we are here. That is the reason I'm here. That is the reason you are here. We are collectively evolving. By teaching, I am evolving. By listening and implementing in your life, you are evolving. Both sides are evolving. You may have done many things in your life, many practices in your life, but this meditation will help you in many ways that many people are experiencing. Many people are gaining good health. You maybe listen to some people experiences. They have cured some diseases just by observing the breath, just by sitting and observing the breath. No other practices, no other chanting mantra, no other difficult practices. Just sitting and observing the breath. How simple it is. In your place, in your home. No need to go anywhere. Just sitting and observing your natural breath, my dear friends. So friends, let us today sit in a meditation. Make yourself comfortable, my dear friends. Cross your both hand fingers. Cross your legs. And close your eyes. Anapanasati meditation. Ana means inhalation, apana means exhalation, sati means be with that. So simply be with your natural breath, be with your normal breath, without any thoughts, without any thinking. Remember that you are the creator of your own life. You are the unique personality here. We are all here in this planet Earth to live our life happily. To learn lessons from everyone. Just observe your natural breath, my dear friends. कोई मंत्र नहीं, कोई तंत्र नहीं, सांसों के साथ your breath is your God. Your breath is your master. Just relax, my dear friends. Complete relaxation. Every cell in your body is going into complete relaxation. Just observe your incoming and outgoing breath. Normal, natural, easy breath. Just witness it. How it is going inside and coming outside. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment. Be with your breath, my dear friends. Don't go behind your thoughts. Just follow with your breath. We're all here today to go with it. We don't want anything at this moment. Just being here with our natural breath, with our normal breath. Be with your breath, my dear friends. Don't go behind your thoughts. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment and stay here with your breath. Last 1 minute. That is it. Ten seconds. Five, 4, 2, 1. Zero. Keep your both hands fingers on your eyes. The energy which you receive through fingers again sending back to your body. And gently open your eyes. Okay, welcome back, friends. We have done 35 minutes of meditation. If anybody would like to ask any questions or would like to share anything, you can start now. You can raise your hands, whoever would like to share or want to ask any question. And friends, this Saturday, you will have an opportunity to interact with my teacher, who is Patriji. He is the founder of Pyramid Spiritual Society's Movement. I know few of you already from this group already had a chat with him. And whoever would like to join, it will be a Saturday morning, 7 p.m. Sorry, 7 a.m. 7 Pakistan time. So how many of you would like to join morning 7 Saturday? Please raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Yes. Okay. Friends, so we'll be informing the timing. Okay. I will share the flyer and the link. You can join with the link on Saturday. Okay. Normally, every Saturday we will have the session with a teacher, and where it's an interacting session. And if we have any questions or if you want any sharings, you can do that. Okay. And so friends, so by interacting with the good people, good intention people, positive people, we also take some positiveness, we also take some goodness from them. So it is like when you are in the garden, the flowers, jasmine garden, okay, you are there 1 hour or 2 hours, okay, you take all the fragrances. So when you come out of from the garden, when somebody comes, they feel some fragrance from you, they feel very happy, because you already in the jasmine garden, you receive all the fragrance, you experience the blossom, then you're taking that too when you go outside. That naturally, you're not doing anything. That naturally, when somebody come and meet you, they feel the fragrance from you. Similarly, the energy, when you're meeting the right people, positive people, good intention people, you receive the energy, you receive the happiness. So when somebody come and talk to you, they also feel the happiness from you, they also feel good vibes from you. So that's the reason, always interact with the good people, interact with the right people, listen to the nice music, read all the spiritual books that elevate your energies. We have to increase our energies. We have to shift our consciousness, because we have to break our routines to change our life. If you are in the same routine, same planning, no, that will not work out. You need to change, some change in our life. It's okay. So anybody have questions, friends? Here, 2 people raise the hand. Yes. Barira Sayed ji, please unmute. No? Okay. Kinja, please unmute.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं आप? How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Walaikum salam.
So I've been, in this session and I have a really good experience. My question is that does meditation awakens your spiritual side of your personality?
Medi-
Like, I don't know. I have a very good sixth sense, right? कुछ भी होने से पहले I always get a clue. Okay, don't go for it. It's not good. I already discussed with Madhuji.
Hmm.
So she said that don't analyze it. Don't experience it. Don't analyze your experience. But I just don't know what I don't want to. But I eventually end up analyzing it. So and then anything happens, and I haven't done that. I haven't followed that. So later on, I have a regret. Look, there was a gut feeling and there was something, but you didn't follow it. And now you're just facing this. So, how to just, overcome this thing? This is hurting me a lot, right?
See,
This is,
the first question you asked is the meditation will help for the spiritual awakening.
yeah.
Yes, meditation only awakens your spiritual energies because
Oh,
this meditation purifying you, this meditation emptying you. So
okay.
when you remove all the negative things, the negative energies from you, there is only purity that obviously the spirituality by default is there and the energies which will be activated.
Okay.
And the second one you ask that intuition, your intuition, the sixth sense.
Yeah. Yes,
See,
yes.
you when something, for example, you are going to plan something, okay, or you're traveling to somewhere, but your sixth sense says, Don't go, okay, don't do it,
Yes.
okay."
Yes.
You feel some some resistance doing that one you when after you receive that message. So when you feel that one, you also think that yes, I should not go. So these are all, instead of analyzing, you have to experiment. Instead of analyzing, you have to experiment. Say you have some intuition. Without that, you're doing. Okay, you're ignoring your intuition. Okay,
Yeah.
you ignored your intuition, then you're doing your work. Then finally,
Okay.
when, for example, your intuition says don't do the some work, but you did it. You did it.
ठीक है.
So
Yes.
already you got the instruction. This is an experiment. Okay, next time what you have to do? Okay, when something intuitively I receive, I should not do it.
Yeah.
Either do or not. Whatever. You follow
Yeah.
your intuition. Here
Yes.
you're experimenting, not analyzing. You're experimenting. Okay. See, you need to have a some proof. Okay, let me do it. What happened? Then, okay, if it is opposite happening, then you have to believe that, okay, something is happening. I should follow my intuition. Sometimes your mind plays. There you have to, this is just practice only. We have to experiment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So means I have to leave my intuition and instead of, following it, I need to experiment it, right?
No, you have to follow your intuition. Okay.
Okay.
You have to follow your intuition because you may get some answers. Okay. It says that, oh, don't do it or do it or go this way or go that way. You get intuition, but you have to experiment. Okay. You just follow one day. See what happens. Is that intuition is correct or wrong? If it's correct, you follow every time.
Yes.
Okay, some things in our life forcefully we are trying to do, but something in intuition is saying this is not good for you, this is not for you.
Yeah.
So you're trying 5 times 6 times, suddenly it happens. No, suddenly something, no reason. It means that, okay, that is not mean to you, you have to do some other work. If it is really mean to you, that will come to you again.
Okay.
So this if you want to understand this one, you should be more aware. Okay, mind and intuition and attachments, these plays a major role. You should be aware. Only with experiment and with practice you can
So meditation is definitely going to help me a lot in this case, right?
Meditation 100%, 1000% helpful.
Okay, because
Meditation only help.
I have a very, very strong sixth sense from like my childhood. I've been observing this.
Yes, do
It's so
experiment.
strong.
You said that strong sixth sense. Did you have any experiences by following your intuition?
Yes, I do.
Then
I
you
do.
follow.
If I don't follow it, I regret it. That's what I was discussing it.
But
When I don't
you already experience that something going to be happen. You already experience that your intuition is working. Then why don't you follow your intuition?
No, actually I'm just thinking कि हर दफा इसको follow ही करना चाहिए. कभी कभी मतलब is it right or like मैं थोड़ी confusion का शिकार हूँ actually myself. I'm a bit confused. I don't know, is it God gifted or it's something else, but
No,
it is something.
if you're already experienced, your intuition is working. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's a good. You already have some experience.
Yeah, I do.
But next time something is coming to your mind, you okay, I should not do, I should do. Already I had experience.
Like for example, if I meet anybody, right? It's my first meeting. I have got vibes. Okay, I believe in my vibe system. And trust me, if my vibes and my intuition say that this person is not your, somebody
Then leave
you
it.
should not.
Then leave it.
Yeah. So that's what I'm.
Then leave it.
My
No,
body,
no regret.
my body gets
See, when your
senses.
vibes is saying that no need to meet, then no regret. If you meet, then you
Okay.
will regret. Regret more, you will.
Yes, yes, this is the state actually. This is
Ah.
the actual state I'm
So
discussing
when
about.
something is your body is communicating, your mind is communicating, then okay, Baba, we'll meet next time. You can have a soft message that we'll meet next time. Something.
So it's hence proven that your body, your mind, your intuition, your gut is true, right? It's
Yes,
something.
true,
It
Baba.
gives you. It
It's
gives you
true.
signal. It
Yeah,
protects you, right?
yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Got your point.
Something you maybe plan to go somewhere. You're planned. Okay. You feel that suddenly you're planning for 1 week tour. Suddenly you feel that one day before you don't want to go. Something disturbance, something uneasy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then that time you have to either follow intuition and you have to decide that sitting in meditation, emptying your mind. After meditation, you have to think, okay, either go or not. So whatever you feel, you can do it. You can don't think
Oh.
like if I book the flight ticket, I book the tour, this and that, but your strong intention says that don't go, then don't go.
Then,
That's all.
okay. Okay.
If you
Okay.
go, there may be many, you have to face the bad consequences.
Definitely, definitely.
Many of us failed in this way by attaching with our mind.
Yeah.
Okay, we have planned something because you planned with all 1 week or 1 month, you dedicated your time for your tour, then suddenly one day before you don't want to go,
Yeah.
then
It
what happens?
happens.
And everybody scold you, hey, what you are doing, what happens, this and that, but you feel that you don't want to go.
I can totally relate this thing. I have experienced this, that same while I was traveling, my intuition, I even sat on like on plane, and my intuition was like, not go, don't go, don't go, but I could not resist because my parents were like, अब क्या पागल हो गई हो, अब तो plane में बैठ के तुम ये कह रही हो कि मुझे नहीं जाना, you just cannot do it, the plane is definitely going to take off. I swear I went there, and my entire experience of 15 days was so bad, and it was really bad. I swear, like it was a traumatic condition I end up, and I was like, now I'm not
Means
going
that
to.
your intuition is working. You have to follow your intuition. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Master Saab. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, Saima ji, please unmute.
Thank you, sir,
Hi.
for this wonderful session. Sir, I just want to ask you, I have anger issue, and after doing 2 meditation session, almost I can control it, But nowadays I have
You should
to
not
face
control
some
your
problem.
anger. You should not control your anger. You should understand.
I know, sir, but sometimes my childs are doing too much disturbing, whatever. But nowadays, in Bangladesh, school colleges are open. So I have to attend my office. There are some people, somehow they just like, sir, like some irritation, itching type people. Those don't have any, that means
Then why you are thinking about them?
relevant.
Why are you thinking about them?
They just came to me and talk me like different issues, which I don't want to get any interest now. These days, I don't get any interest of this. But
Then you
how
say
could
that
I
I'm not
tell them?
interested.
I tell them, sir, but they somehow they are superior or somehow they are like senior to me. So I most of the time I can't express the please go get out from me and get out from my thinking level. I don't want to think about like you or like this whatever you are thinking. So how could I tell them, sir?
Sometimes you need to bear the people. Okay. Sometimes you need the bear people without any reaction. Then slowly they leave from you without any reaction. Sometimes you need to bear because your past is coming now. All your past seeds are coming now. So you have to bear it. So you are also previously reacting in such a way that is coming now. Oh, now you are silent. How you can be silent? You were doing so much before. Now you are being silent. Okay. So
Yes,
it's gradually it will go away. Sometimes you need to bear the people in some situations and don't react. Okay. That's
and most of the time they are talking
see,
very
see,
shoutly, very loudly. And last 2 days, sir, I feel just I attending my workplace regularly now. So I feel just pain in myself, my headache, because last 1.5 hour I'm just staying at home, and last 2 months especially I'm doing, and now these days, sir, I am trying to do meditation after getting back, waking up early in the morning. It's about 35 or 30 minutes regularly I'm trying to do. After that, I feel so fresh. And when I reach at my workplace, I feel so happy. I feel so fresh after sitting my seat. But those people, when I see them, it's just, I have to bear them. Now I'm feeling that, sir, you are telling, I have to bear them. It's maybe a teaching or maybe a learning, how much I bear them.
yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, do more meditation.
Sorry, sir. I'm just sharing a very personal issue with you in this group. And sorry to all of you, but this is true. I have to bear all the people just talking uselessly, unproductively. No need to talk like this.
No, sometimes you have to communicate. Okay, I'm not interested into this. So then you have to communicate. You have to open up and communicate. Don't think about the seniority, this and that. You have to communicate. Finally, you are suffering, right? This suffering you are going to show again with your kids and someone else. You know,
Right, sir.
all this anger you are showing at someone. So you have to one day, you will bear 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, then you have to open. Okay, I'm not interested in this. You talk something else. If you leave that people, you will get the right people, Baba. Okay. If you leave that people, you will get the right people. That is common. That is very
Right, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You work on it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Lubna Nagpalji, please unmute.
Sir, good evening. I want to share something like Kinza. When I saw some dreams, they will become true. Sir, what is this? मुझे
So
ये
when-
समझ नहीं आता
हाँ,
कि सर जो मैं देखती हूँ, मैं अपने लिए नहीं सर, इवन मैं अपने कलीग्स के लिए जिनको मैं जानती नहीं वो भी तो कुछ दिनों में वो चीज बिल्कुल एज इट्स मुझे मेरे सामने आ जाती है, चाहे वो निगेटिव हो चाहे वो पॉजिटिव हो, वन थिंग। दूसरी कि मैं जो है ना अपने जो गुजर गए हैं लोग, लेट पीपल, उनको बड़ी मैं ख्वाब में देखती हूँ, जबकि मैं सोचती भी नहीं हूँ। इवन देन मैं कुछ भी नहीं सोचती उनके बारे में। मुझे ना दूर दूर के अंकल, दादा, दादी, नाना, मुझे समझ नहीं आती। और मेरे ख्वाब सर रियलिटी में यकीन जाने मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती। सुबह मैं सुनती हूँ, 2 दिन के बाद सुनती हूँ वही कलर में उस बच्चे, उस फ्रेंड की जो है ना मम्मी की डेथ हो गई। तो मैं तो सरप्राइज हूँ। मैं सोचती हूँ मैं किससे ये शेयर करूँ, या मैं एक दफा देख, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं, लेकिन इसका क्या मतलब है सर?
See, madam, see, meditation, sleep also where you are in meditative state, but unconsciously. Okay. In
ओके,
sleep also you are in meditative state, but unconsciously you are there. So what happened in your sleep? Your entire body is going to rest. Your bones and muscles are going to rest. Okay. And you are entering into the different dimension where sometimes you get the information which is going to happen tomorrow. Okay. Say, I also had same experiences before coming to meditation. Okay. I was talking with someone in the dream. I was talking somebody in the dream. I got the call and I was talking there in dreams. And suddenly in physically, my phone was ringing. Then I wake up and talking. So the call which I'm going to receive after wake up, that already I had in my dreams. Okay. And some things which you are going to be happen in the future time, that also you can see in your dreams. Okay. So whatever happening here in this material world, in this third dimension, that already happening in other dimension. First that happens there, then that manifests here. Okay. So that is
तो सर तो फिर ये तो कभी कभार तो ये डरावनी बात भी हो जाती है ना, कि कभी अनहैपनिंग चीजें, निगेटिव चीजें आ जाती हैं सामने, तो फिर डर लगने, सुबह जैसे उठते हैं तो बस एंजाइटी में होते हैं।
that's why
क्या करें
you
सर?
should not worry or should not analyze. Okay, you have seen something in your dreams. Okay, you are seeing something in dreams. Okay, let it happen. If something is going to happen, be cautious that there may be some instruction giving to you. If you are doing this one, you will get this one, some information for you. So this is all only you have to decide. You may have different guidance in your dreams. Okay, different guidance, different people guide you in your dreams. And that is your depends on that how you are taking it and how you are remembering exactly after waking up. Okay, and that depends on you.
ओके सर, एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी है कि कभी कभी इंसान इतना कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशंस आ जाती हैं कि बंदा बिल्कुल भी होपलेस, हेल्पलेस और बिल्कुल भी अपनी जिंदगी से ना खुश हो जाता है। इवन आपको ना प्रेयर अच्छी लगती है, ना अपने प्यारे अच्छे लगते हैं, बस दिल चाहता है कि अलोन कहीं जंगल में जाके बैठ जाएं बुद्धा की तरह और जिंदगी को छोड़ जाएं, और कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता। इवन इस कंडीशन में सर क्या किया जाए? और किसी से आप शेयर भी नहीं कर सकते, कोई भी चीज कुछ भी नहीं शेयर कर सकते।
Yes, madam. Some people, when they have fulfilled everything, okay, when they have fulfilled everything, they don't not interested in money, they're not interested in luxury, they're not interested in anything, but something they needed, but they don't know something is needed. They're not mingling with the people. Okay, they're not comfortable, but they're happy with living alone. Want to, as you said, want to go in the nature, sitting alone or reading the book or looking at the stars or being with the nature and the tree, walking alone in the garden. Okay, so these are all the uh, symptoms, like you are looking for something for your spiritual growth, looking something for your spiritual growth, like finding something, who I am, where I'm from, what is this life.
सेम
That
सेम हियर
happens
सर,
for
आई एम
those
फीलिंग लाइक दैट।
people- for that happens with those people, they already had done some spiritual work and spiritual practice in their previous lifetime. Already they have done something in previous lifetimes. So in this lifetime, what happens? As you said, they feel something I'm missing. I don't know what is it. I want to find it. I'm not interested in this. I'm not interested in that. Okay. So when you start practicing meditation, you feel connected. Yes, this is I was looking for. This is I was looking for. Because then when you had a connection, you find real happiness and real joy. There is a connection with the source and you lost the connection all these days. That's why you feel missing. When you had this connection, you said, yes, for this only, I'm looking for that.
Sir, is there any connection between the meditation and soul?
See,
Soul.
meditation is a gateway to connect with our soul and source. So what happens? What is meditation? Empty your mind. Meditation means emptying your mind. So by emptying your mind, you can able to connect. I will tell you one example. There is a sunlight. There is a bright sun. Okay? Where if there is nothing, you can get the sunlight, the bright light. If the clouds are covered, can you see the light? You can't see the light. If the clouds are covered the sunlight, you can't see the light. When clouds are slowly moving, you can get this, okay, lighting. When clouds disappear, again, you get the bright light. So when the clouds are covered, isn't it meaning that the sun is not there? The sun is there, but the clouds are covered. So similarly, we can think about your soul is like a sun and your clouds like a mind. So you have to remove your mind to connect your soul. You have to clean your mind. You have to cleanse your mind to connect your soul or the source or the God, whatever you think.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Monaji, I think we are already overrunning. Yes, please.
Master Manoj.
Yes, madam.
I was thinking, Madhuji, after Madhuji, who will gonna take our classes? It could be a new one, but I am very glad to see you because I have done a session with you on July. Your July session I did with you in Bangladesh group.
Yes, yes.
But that session was in the morning, so I was not regular there.
Yeah.
For my makeup issue, I am a kind of owl kind of person. Ullu ki tarah hu.
So how
I
is your
couldn't
meditation now?
Oh, I am feeling great. Somehow it changes my life. Yesterday I was dancing after a long time. When I was alone, I was watching a movie and then I feel to dance and it's feel really good that I am enjoying my time alone.
Very good.
And I have a question that is there anyone from your pyramid school from Bangladesh? Because lots of Bangladeshi women, especially women, doing meditation, but they have communication problem. They cannot properly speak English, neither English nor Hindi.
Bangla.
So they're good in Bangla, and but they also cannot speak that much good English. So is there anyone Bangladeshi master here?
No, you can be a Bangladesh master.
Oh, I will be very happy if I could. So I want to go to
you can be a Bangladesh master. Saimaji can be a Bangladesh master. Manisha can be a Bangladesh master.
And I would like to thank Manisha. Manisha shared a link of a movie which is very good. I watched it today. the movie called what is the movie called?
That
I
Louis,
forget the name.
I know Louis L. Hay. Louis L. Hay.
Yes, yes.
something
You
more.
can heal your life.
Yes. That is the transformation of Louis L. Hay. And you should
Yes, yes.
watch that video, and you should learn that she has written so many books. You can heal your body. Okay.
And I am thinking to buy that book because in the documentary, I don't get that much information what I was looking for. But though it was very helpful and very motivating, I liked it. And I want to be actually being a master of meditation. I think these people who are, helping us to meditation, the masters, you are serving us. You are giving people a new way, new path, and lightning to their life. It's great. I wish I could be like you or Madhuji and serve people.
Yes, definitely. I was also like you 12 years ago. So then I started teaching meditation. So you also do the same. You also do the same. So once you fulfill your stomach, you have to give it to someone. Once you taste the jalebi, once you taste the sweet, okay, and you will be telling everyone, hey, you go and buy the sweet in that shop, very delicious. Same meditation.
And I have convinced my husband to do so, as I was, he was overthinking, he was very stressed about his office and all that works.
Yeah.
So I yesterday I told him, do you know, I have no time for thinking anything. Whatever I think instantly, I do it, and then I got relaxed. Last 15 to 18 days, I have really nothing to think. My head is always empty. Alhamdulillah. And it's full of joy. I really cannot share my experience. It's very beautiful. And thanks to you that you have introduced me to the meditation. When I started meditating with you, I thought it's a kind of yoga session or like that. I didn't know that you are meditating, or I am going in that path. But when I started your class, it was as I was started in the morning 7 or 6:30 class that time. So that was, I was sleepy, and like that I connect your class. But when I got chance to connect with evening session, and it take me to a and I am flying.
Yes, I can see energy.
Thank you.
I can feel energy. Yes. So I can suggest you people, those who are from Bangladesh, I'm also planning to come Bangladesh. Okay. So I suggest you people to start helping others. Okay. Whatever you know, whatever you are learning, okay, start helping others. And just suggest you to create one YouTube channel, like, okay, some YouTube channel, and talk about meditation in your language. So that's helpful. Just sitting at your home, no need to go anywhere. Share your journey, share about meditation, some topic, something. Then we sharing to everyone. That's benefited for everyone. Yeah. Yes.
In Bangladesh, there is a foundation called Quantum Method. They provide the meditation courses, and that is very expensive. I also wanted to do that. That is very expensive, and they do physical meditation, like you have to go there and do meditate. And I have feel interested because around me, those people who attended their course or who have done their course, they are very successful. They are very sorted with their life. So it's attract me. But at the pandemic situation, I got a chance to get free classes. So why not? And the costs of the foundation course was a little high for me. I think it's expensive for me. So I attended here, but I don't know their courses, a lot of maybe, but their courses is also good, and lots of people from Bangladesh taking their courses and they're happy, they're having good life.
Very good, very good. Yes, whatever you feel, whatever you comfortable, whatever you feel, then you can go proceed.
But I would like to stay connected with Pyramid School
Mm.
because you have served me. So it's my responsibilities to serve other. As I got something from you, so I should give something to the world.
Yes. We have to learning from everyone, every author, every book we have to read and we have to learn. Yes. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. And see you tomorrow. Good night. Khuda Hafiz. Thank you.